Damn, son.
Cut forward. Stop.
Oh, yeah, you got her now. Nice and easy. Oh, yeah. Got her whoops.
I really didn't think.
Now this fourth one's a bitch.
Is it?
Yeah, it's not this one, the next one. Yep, this one right here. No, not the one you're on, the one in front of you. Oh, we were a belly, bub. Those people cut out.
Hell.
Like it ain't nothing. No one's found the top of it yet right here.
Yeah, this one looks a little rougher.
Yeah. Damn, your bumper drag? Holy shit. Oh, I didn't like that. I didn't like that.
Oh, we wheelied a little bit. I've lost my phone.
Oh, shoot. Yeah, I think you're digging a hole back through your tire.
Yeah, I think I'm done.
Yep, that's it. Dang, the closest I've seen. I've been here since Thursday. Oh, God. I mean, it's right there. Like someone said today, this thing is 6 inches too tall. Hey, you remember Sasquatch?